All right. Hello, friends, and welcome to my channel here. I think after having formed this channel since last few months, this is my first systematic video, and it will be done on a regular basis, Monday through Friday, around these times, and also during the UK live session. Right. So my name is Japee, and welcome back again to the live channel here. We will be the main idea of this channel would be to take you through at least a couple of trade setups every day, and also following it up back to back. All right, maximum. I'll be touching upon maximum 5 instruments if time permits, or at least two we'll touch upon in each session here. So once again, a warm welcome. Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening as per your time frames. It's actually 7 a.m. Eastern Standard now. We are moving into the early hours of the New York live trading session. And let's get started off. The first chart that we'd like to touch upon is the Euro USD. If you look at the trend line, the resistance trend line, connecting those two highs, prices last week they managed to break above the trend line from sell zone to buy zone, and it has also tested the backside of the trend line. If you can see here on the 17, 20, 25 mark, potentially declaring or giving an indication that the most probable wave direction could be towards the 1.1950, 1.2 2000 levels. All right, and if you look at the overall wave structure, it is still giving us an impression of a potential leading diagonal unfolding into 5 waves, or as an alternate count, it is just about an A, B, C corrective drop. Right. So whatever the case is on the left side, from where prices have dropped from 1.2092 towards 1.15, probability remains that euro could still go and rally all the way towards 1.1950, also cross the 2050 mark. That's the 786. The 61.8% resistance coming at 1875 could go all the way towards 1975 2000 levels as well. All right, that's a Gartley structure, at least, that we can expect for now. We are counting on a Gartley structure. Gartleys are when you have a probable boundary. Here it is from 2090 towards 1550, and a counter trend goes against that. Now the big question is, how do you trade this chart, as far as the whether it's an intraday kind of a trade or a swing kind of a trade. Let me just bring up the Fibonacci ratios as well of the counter trend. You can see that it's bouncing right around the 38.2 levels right now. Quite a high probability remains that prices may drop lower towards 1670 from here. That's about just about 100 pips from here, and then pick it up after forming a base there. All right. So what I would recommend or suggest here, if you are an aggressive kind of a trader, you might want to place your risk uh, just around the 1860 mark, which is recent highs there. You can have your risk there. This is for an aggressive kind of a trade setup, right? And you can remain short or you can go short. Maybe watch out for your risk reward ratios are up approximately 1:1 right now. Not too good, not too bad as well. Going short, you can target around 1670 and then turn around. That's an aggressive way to trade. A conservative way to deal this chart would be to remain flat for now and wait for prices to drop lower towards the 61.8% Fibonacci support here around 1670, and then go long with the stop just below 1550 with a target around 1970. The targets are quite clear. The only question is, would you like to play both sides as an aggressive trader, or you'd want to wait and then look to go long? Actually, you see the targets are quite clear: 1.1970 and 1.2050. Right. So that's the trade setup for euro. Another interesting chart is the metal, yellow metal gold. We got a clear boundary from 1355.57. There we are. That could be the first leg between the corrective three waves. I'm not getting into much details about the wave counts, but we will do it sometimes in some of the educational sessions that I bring up here. I'm going to be here on a regular basis daily, and we'll be uploading the intraday trading setup videos as well as the weekly educational videos discussing mainly about the wave principle. Alright, so we've got the first leg. That could be the second leg, resistance around 1306, and prices may push through 1306 one last time before dropping lower, or it has already formed a top around 1297. Alright, so the trade setup, how do you play this? You might want to place the risk above 13.6, that is, let's say 13.10 kind of levels, and allow prices to drop lower. Let's go short with a price target of at least between below 1259, 1260. It's actually heading towards 1200 levels as well. Alright, so that's the trade setup. Short euro for now aggressively, and then remain short in gold as well for now aggressively. I'm just trying to bring up the extensions on gold charts. At least 1225 for now. All right, so that's it for this session. If you want to connect with me, you can write down an email at the following address: and there's another way. If you're interested in getting live trade signals, they're all complimentary, being sent to my Telegram channel by my name. You're most heartily welcome to join that channel as well. And of course, you're going to find me posting regular videos daily right here. Alright, so thank you once again for joining in and tuning in. I'll be back again after a few hours, and you might want to get subscribed to this channel as well to get all the updates on the live sessions and the weekly educational webinars. It will be primarily based on what is the wave principle and what does it take, what wave structure does it follow, and few important patterns, the corrective waves, the motive waves, the types of motive waves and corrective waves. Quite a lot of interesting stuff to be discussed. Right. So I'll be looking forward for uh, quite a bit of participation from your side as well, and good luck to your trades. And I'll see you back again after a few hours. Goodbye.